Hey, what's going on? Adam Shelton here. Merry Christmas and happy holidays to you from the YouTube channel. So I want to go ahead and send you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you for subscribing. Thanks for watching the videos that we do and provide value to you every day, every week, every month. So today's video topic, what are the best gifts you can give to an entrepreneur or business owner? What are some of the better gifts? So I'm actually right here now at family. So I'm basically going to go ahead and describe to you what are some of the better gifts you can give to an entrepreneur or business owner. So if this is your first time here at this channel, go ahead and hit your red subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell when I do videos just like this. I do videos every single day. I want you to be notified when I do videos just like this. Now, you know what time it is, and it's that time. What do you give an entrepreneur or business owner? What are some of the better gifts? Now, before that I was an entrepreneur or business owner, I would take anything, basically. Gift cards would be good. My wife would give me clothes. I would get, I would actually get like, shoes and things like that. But for a business owner, I want to tell you this. Some of the better gifts to give a business owner and stuff is going to help them grow their business. That's some of the better gifts you can give to them. And books, good books, like a really, really good book that's going to really help them grow. And you feel like that's going to help them grow their mindset and their bank account. Those are two things I would say, their mindset and their bank account. So that's one. Write that down in the comment line. That's one of the better gifts you think is going to give to them, grow their bank account and grow their mindset right there. The number two best gift, I don't even know if there's any gifts back here that has that. I think so. I think this gift here, this gift from my wife, I think she gave to me. But one of the better gifts is equipment to grow your business. Now, if it's a camera, like it's a video camera. So if you do a lot of videos, I do a lot of videos. So it's like a video camera to help grow your business. That's a good gift. A new computer that's going to help you grow your business. Anything that's going to help you grow your business, even a chair. So if you're sitting down, if you work from home, you may want a better chair, working chair. That's good. Anything that's going to help you succeed, your mindset and your bank account, and helping somebody else succeed, I think that's some of the better gifts out there. So number two, like any type of equipment that's going to help you grow. Number three, I think one of the better things I think a person give to a business owner or even to an entrepreneur is that I was just saying the other day. I think I just mentioned it. Gift cards, right? Get an entrepreneur a gift card because that person can turn around and get whatever they need in their business. So if you give them a gift card, you can give them a Visa gift card, MasterCard gift card, and you can give some of that stuff out. And that's some of the better gifts you can give to an entrepreneur or a business owner is just a flat out gift card. I don't know what type of equipment he needs. I don't know if he needs any type of books to help his mindset and his bank account. Let me just give him a gift card or her a gift card because then he could turn around, she could turn around and buy whatever that person needs to buy. Or sometimes the entrepreneur and a business owner may take that card there and go ahead and buy a course with it. So that will lead me to my fourth thing is the best thing is a course, an online course or any type of coaching that's going to help them grow their mindset and their bank account. So that's a number 4 on my list. Online course that's going to help them grow their business and their bank account. So if they're doing YouTube videos, something like a YouTube course. If they're on Facebook, a Facebook course. If it's a course that's going to help them get more leads in their business. If it's coaching that's going to help them, make more money. Or if it's a mindset coach, it could be a mindset course to help them think differently. Okay, I'm making $10,000 a month. I want to make $30,000 a month. Well, maybe certain books I need to be able to push that to there, right? So a course or a book or a coaching session, mastermind, anything like that will definitely help that. And number 5 on the list here that you may not believe here, I would say a good mattress and a good pillow. I'm telling you, because as an entrepreneur and business owner, you work all the time. Sometimes you work 2 hours, sometimes you work 10 hours. Being an entrepreneur and business owner, your hours is all over the place. Like a Monday, you may work 2 hours. Then Tuesday, you may work 5 hours. Wednesday, you may work 10 hours. So it's all over the place, but it's important to get the proper rest. It's important to get the proper, posture when you're sleeping. Making sure you're laying on your back correctly, and a good mattress and good pillow for an entrepreneur and a business owner is like one of the better gifts. It's kind of underrated because you don't really hear it a lot, but I think that's number 5 on my list is a good pillow and a good mattress. I'm telling you, something is going, or a good comfort. That's good. Anything is going to make that person, when that person's time to go to sleep, he or she can really rest. So those are some of the gifts you can give: a gift card, a good mattress, a good comfort, online course, coaching, mentorship, a good book. That's some of the things you can definitely give. So those are a few gifts I believe a good entrepreneur or a business owner you can get on any type of equipment. If it's computer equipment that's going to help them grow, a camera, anything that's going to help them grow, I think that to help their business grow their mindset and their bank accounts. So that's all I got for you. The 5 things I think an entrepreneur or business owner should have. If you're giving a gift to an entrepreneur or business owner, go ahead and hit that as well. So go ahead, also like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. I'll see you on the next video. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.